cast on a multiple of 4 plus 3. For the first row, we just knit across. For the second row and all wrong side rows, we will just purl across. For the third row, we will knit 1. Then after that, we begin our repetition. So we repeat this part, which is to knit 2 together, yarn over, and knit 1, knit 2, and we keep repeating that to the end. So that's knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2. We come to the last 2 stitches and knit 2. Then the wrong side row, we will purl across. Okay, for the 5th row, you can already see the eyelets forming there, see? And for the 5th row, very easily, we just knit across the whole lot of stitches. Okay, for row 6, we'll purl across again. As we know, that is the wrong side of the work, and that just requires purling, so it's pretty easy. And you just do that across. So now for row 7, we'll knit 1. And now we begin the repetition that comes between the asterisks. So it's the part we repeat. We go knit 2, 1, 2, then SSK, so slip, slip, we knit like that. And then we yarn over. Repeat that again, knit 1, knit 2, SSK, slip, slip. See here how we knit, like that. Then yarn over and keep going until we get to the last 2 stitches and we will knit them. And then we just purl the 8th row. There we have it. You just repeat these 8 rows. It's pretty easy. And it creates a nice alternating eyelet. I hope that helps. And you can check out my website where I have the knitting pattern there for free. We'll link it. And also I am currently making an amazing lace knitting book that you'll be able to buy soon, where I'll contain this stitch and many, many more lace stitches. Thank you. Bye. Oh, please subscribe too. That really helps.